Number 20, lot S211, is a 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback with a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it's sold for $41,800 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 99,503 miles. And the highlights are factory M code Mach 1, one of an estimated 891 Mach 1s produced with these paint trim codes. Built at the Dearborn Assembly Plant in November 1970. Deluxe Marty Report, 351 cubic inch 4-barrel V8 engine with Ram Air, C6 select shift automatic transmission, finished in grabber blue with hockey stick side stripes and Mach 1 decals. Black knit vinyl bucket seats, select air ventilation, stereo, center console, leather wrapped steering wheel, power steering, power front disc brakes, conventional rear axle with 325 gear ratio, Magnum 500 wheels with Cooper Cobra GT radial tires, front air dam spoiler, rear deck spoiler, and rear window louvers. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.